Welcome to Mechanic Storytime, as provided by Main Street Mechanic. Once upon a time, in the land of Main Street Mechanic of American Fork, there was a good little Hyundai who just wanted to work for its owners. But alas, a spell had been cast on it that made it think it was being stolen, which activated the anti-theft protocols. The car wouldn't even start. The mechanics and sages of Main Street Mechanic spent 3 days employing all of their might and knowledge in an attempt to reverse the spell. Checking the electrical systems, the starter, even the keys. But alas, they were frustrated in their efforts and they could not get the good little Hyundai to start. "What a riddle," they all cried. "However will we restore this good little Hyundai to working order?" Then, on the 3rd day, a squire mechanic walking round the Hyundai noticed taillight malfunction. Such a small malady could not be the cause of so great a calamity, could it? But the valiant mechanic replaced the taillight in hopes of restoring the Hyundai however he could. With the taillight replaced, the Hyundai sputtered to life. A miracle! It no longer thought it was being stolen, but was ready to get back in the action. The mechanic was rewarded with many accolades, and the Hyundai and its owners rode off into the sunset to visit again another day. The moral of this story is to bring your car to Main Street Mechanic in American Fork. They know cars and can diagnose even the oddest of maladies and get your car working again. Join us next time for Mechanic Storytime and click the link below to get 50% off your next oil change.